Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Amal's Cuisine. Today we're coming back to you guys with a homemade croissants, 100% success. We have 2 cups of flour, 1 cup and a half of milk, 1 cup of water, half a stick of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of dried milk, and 2/3 cup oil, and 1/8 cup of yeast, and half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, Bismillah ala barakatillah. Let's start. We're gonna start with our milk. The milk, the dried milk, my sugar, all these beautiful ingredients gonna come together, my butter, my yeast as well, and the tea and the salt, and my water. Blend it a little bit in. You can quit now. Bismillah. By the way, a little adjustment here. I'm gonna possibly use 4 cups of flour. All right, guys, and this is how our dough looks like, but I did add almost 5 cups of flour instead of just the 2, as I said at the beginning. So you needed 5 cups of flour to have this beautiful dough. So it should be soft like this. Now we're gonna start forming our little balls. I have butter, one stick and a half. You guys gonna see what I need it for. I have flour to use it to work with my dough, and I have cornstarch also I needed to help me form my croissants. You guys gonna see that all in the process here. All right, welcome back. I covered it with plastic so our dough stays soft and doesn't dry up. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna roll our little dough and help it with a little flour and cornstarch. And we try to get them really not squared or anything. If you can get the oval, try to get them oval, it's the best result. Start working with them and put them to the side. Like that. flatten it, and I do use a corner stretch. And here comes the butter. So I'm gonna go all over with the butter and actually put them on top of each other. There is no waiting or nothing. You'll have the croissants in about an hour. So we don't have to wait all day long. Over here. Like that on top of each other. I'm gonna put 3 in a row on top of each other. Oh, so I can roll them. So I'm gonna put them on top of each other. You guys gonna see how that comes out. So when I shape my croissants, I can just roll them and cut them into perfect, just like that. Now, I have my first one. Work on it a little bit. Got the butter inside. I have semi-sweet chocolate, or if you have any other chocolate that you prefer, I prefer this because it's not strong for my family. Now we got to the last stage almost. After we got them rolled in, now this is how I'll cut mine. I want the medium size. Move to the next one. All right, now I will let rise for approximate 40 minutes. For better results, the longer you let it rise, the better the fluffy they are. But me personally, 40 minutes is enough. Stay tuned. Bismillah. Cracking my egg. I'm only gonna need the yolk though. Just the yolk. Now that they're risen, they really could raise more, but I'm gonna bake them because my kids need to eat breakfast. So they can rise somewhere in the oven. Add the yolk to my croissants, just like this, and then bake. I have the oven on 430 preheat. 430 preheat. My oven is a little weak though. You can use 375 preheat. Now I'm gonna bake it for approximate, now ready to go to the oven on 430 preheat until nice and golden. All right, now we're about to have one. It's really fluffy and it's still hot. Mmm, delicious. Bon appetit, y'all.